Hi mga palangga! Thank you so much for watching our YouTube channel. Dahil rin nilang gamit ni Maganis Arvin. And for today's video, I'm very excited. Samahan niyo ako and we are going to unbox our newly purchased Samsung Smart TV. So this is 55 inches and the model is Q60C. Kaya if you're interested to know about this kind of television, please keep on watching. Where can we purchase this kind of television? We purchased this one in Festival Mall in Abenson, and this actually cost 34,999. So first is we're going to open the box. So tanggalin muna natin yung laman ng box. So this is what's inside of the box. The stand, the accessories, ang remote control, and yung power cord. So yun lang. So mamaya, ito at saka yung TV, syempre. So mamaya papakita namin sa inyo yung front ng TV. Pinadapa muna namin siya kasi lalagyan natin yung kanyang stand. Let's go! So once na nailabas nyo na yung TV, next step is to install or ikabit yung kanyang stand. So ito na yung kanyang stand. Parang yung palak. Pa-right. Tama ba?
A few inches later.
And tadan! Ito na siya. And then, ano rin siya guys, meron siyang energy label, which means na makakasave ka ng kuryente, hindi siya makain. Sabi, pero we will find out kung lalaki pa yung kuryente namin. And meron din siyang remote. Yung remote pala niya is solar, so hindi mo na kailangan problema ng battery. And sensor lang siya, hindi mo na siya kailangan i-pair or something. So yun na. Let's turn it on. Are you ready? So next, ipa-plug na po natin. Ready na ba kayo? Ako excited na. So tingnan niyo po, sobrang nipis niya talaga. Parang ano lang siya. Parang plywood. So let's turn it on. Tapos, share ko muna sa inyo yung itsura ng remote niya. Yan. So, meron siyang Netflix button, Disney Plus, Prime Video. So, meron pala siyang pag bumili daw kayo nito ng Samsung is meron kayong free 1 year Disney, 'di ba? Disney, ayun. So, 1 year na 'yon. And then 1 year warranty na din po siya if in case na magka-issue or magka-problema yung TV. Tapos home service daw. Pero kailangan niyo munang tawagan si Abenson kung saan or kung saan kayo bumili para masalap yung appointment niyo for home service ng pag-ayos ng TV. So set up muna namin and we'll be right back.
A few inches later.
Kinoconnect na po siya natin sa Wi-Fi. Ayan ang mga palangga. Natapos na namin siyang i-setup. Sobrang dali lang niyang i-setup. Napaka-simple lang. And then, ang ganda niya, ang lapad niya kasi. Tapos, sobrang ng kanyang screen. Napakalinaw ng mga pictures, videos sa screen. Tapos, ayun, madali lang i-setup yung na-upgrade ko na rin yung Netflix ko. So, pwede ako manood dito ng Netflix. So, dito na nga nagtatapos yung video and I hope you enjoyed watching. And if you want to be updated sa next upcoming videos namin, please subscribe. And if you like this video, please click the thumbs up. And also, please click on the bell notification button if you want to be updated for our next upcoming videos. And I hope you enjoyed watching this, and if you're also planning to buy a TV, I can highly recommend this kind of television because sobrang ganda nga niya, tapos madali siyang gamitin Tapos napakaganda, napakalinaw ng kanyang picture at videos. So thanks again for watching. Bye!